the view, we'll be retrieving this user, comparing the user to the password, and if it works, then we will generate a token and then return the token to our user, stuff like that. So here at the login, so the first thing we want to do is to retrieve the user like we did the first time. Let's shift this a little bit, and then we want to check if this user, if the user's password, well, we're checking if the password is equivalent to the password we have just gotten. We can just say login success, but we want to do more than that. We want to retrieve a token for this particular user, because that is what this user would use to log in. All right, so let's make sure we import this token from model like so. So token dot create, yeah, so that should work. This should be token dot objects. I think so. Token dot objects dot create, like that, user equal to user, like so. Okay, and then we now want to return so the message that we want to return would be success, like that, and then the token. So message, that should work, and then token equal to token dot key, like that, and that should be it. Great. So let's try to log in now. So let's go back here. We already have this user that has been created for us. So let's try the login. Hopefully it should work. We didn't return any status, but let's try it out first. So you see, we have login success and our token has been returned for us. So I was saying that we didn't add a status, like we have a status here. We didn't add a status here. So if you would like to add a status, you could just do status and do a status dot, it's a 200, which is okay, and that is it. So that works for our login, and our login works in perfectly. So we save that, and